Dropping in hot map lit like a runway. Bird bro squad, we don't play it the dumb way.
Alright, here we go. Boss is up, door's about to open. I'm scanning the island already. I like that coastal spot down there. Quiet but not empty. Jumping now, straight down. Clean drop. Watching for anyone tailing me. Okay, noted. I'm angling just a bit. Still first touch. Chest right away. Give me something good. Alright, I'll take that. Grabbing ammo. I hear footsteps already. Close. Staying calm. Another chest. Nice. Shield early. Love to see it. I'm popping this right now. Listening. Yeah, they're inside. I've got cover. I'm not rushing. They're breaking something. Peeking. Shots fired. Tags. They're backing up. I'm pushing just a step. Reload. More shield? Yes, please. I'm topping off. One more shot. Got him. I'll take that. Storm's coming soon. I'm heading out. Eyes up while I move. No surprises. Open space here. I don't like it, but it's fine.
Make 'em bow.
Quick hop in. This will save time. I'm in trouble. Need to bounce out of here. Reset and shield up. Someone sees me. Use the tractor as a shield almost. But need to bounce. So I'll restock the jump pad. Oh, nice. A blue machine gun. I'll take that. He's distracted. I'll check this llama. I'm surprised they didn't see me. Top off to the big ending. I want that shotgun. I'll risk getting it. Nice. That paid off. Reload, reset. I'm looking for the final player. Footsteps ahead. Drop a shield bubble. Nice hit. 135. I stay on them. Final shots. That's it. Victory Royale, solo, Bird Brothers, make them bow. Remember to like and subscribe to get more updates from the Fortnite Bird Bros.
Claws out, we gon' fight. Winnie GG with the snipe, steady hands on the scope. Storm at our backs, but we still got hope. Shoot up quick, grab the minis, then we roll. Building like Picasso, taking